Good morning. It's Sunday at 8:41 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Today's date's 11/18 of 2012. We're bringing to our users worldwide and US-wide about the FAZ. What does it represent? It's right here. It's an ETF. It's a daily financial bear, and it's a new one. It had 17 million shares traded on the FAZ. So basically, with the fiscal cliff, it's related to our financial sector. One of the things that we would like to show is people thought that financials have been bottoming out for quite a while and that we have our fiscal house in order. However, what we're going to watch moving forward between Thanksgiving and year end 2013, all of 2013, and 2014, we're going to monitor these things very heavily now in a very shorter macro time frame. Because if we go off the fiscal cliff and things don't work out well, then these bearer funds are going to go higher. And the thing about it is, this one has a long ways to go. The last high that it was over here was $30. We're just down here on the very first basing pattern of that, right in here. The daily little breakouts in here. Now, everyone's been extremely bullish on the financials. However, there are a lot of regulations in there, and our financial institutions are faring better than any other period of time. However, if we go off the fiscal cliff, it won't matter. The financials will continue to sell down. And the old saying is, if you don't have the financials leading, housing stocks leading, our economy is very, very, very weak. That means that all of the institutional earnings in the financial services index that we trade are all in here, the FAZ. It doesn't trade like it did before in prior years. I can show you where some of the peaks were back over here in 2008. The thing was up here at 1,000, 800, or 7,000. I mean, this thing here was so high up in the air. I mean, this, I can tell you, we hope that history doesn't want to repeat itself, but if it does, you will make a lot of money and get rich. They don't move right away, but if this economy doesn't improve and it collapses and the financial system gets weaker and weaker, this is a place that we will be. The upside is unlimited here, depending on what kind of outcome comes out of Washington, D.C. However, it's two of you now to get signed up on how to trade a diversification of bear funds when things are not going well, and when things are going well, the bull funds, which are just the opposite of the bear. We will have special signups for you to get involved in programs. Right now we're addressing our current MMT staff and our worldwide traders that need to understand what's going on here in the U.S. That's part of the SMF family here now. So basically the 200-day simple moving averages is up here. Short term, you got a buy signal that just started. Financials, people have been hiding out in them. People have thought that the bottom in 2012 was in there. But let me tell you something. If something doesn't change in Washington, it won't matter what those analyses were that people thought were going to be. The true reality is how this breaks higher and you get paid.